Depositing a check in QuickBooks Online is an essential process for recording incoming payments and ensuring your financial records are accurate. Here's how to do it. Access the deposit section. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on the plus new button located on the left-hand menu. Under the other column, select Bank Deposit. Select the account. In the account drop-down menu, choose the bank account where you will deposit the check. Enter deposit information. Date. Set the date of the deposit. Add funds to this deposit. In the fields provided, enter the details of the check. Received from. Select the customer or vendor who issued the check. Account. Choose the income account or category the deposit applies to. Amount. Enter the check amount. Description. Add a note to specify what the deposit is for. Save the deposit. After entering all necessary information, review the details for accuracy. Click Save and Close or Save and New if you have more deposits to enter.